Hi, I'm Vincent. I'm an industrial designer, a graphic artist, and also the creator of the SipToSuit cards. Together with my wife, Michelle, as the co-creator and graphic designer, we are very excited to announce this really cool product to all you coffee lovers out there. SipToSuit cards about coffee. We literally spent hundreds and hundreds of hours on the design, the art, the colors, and the content. It's totally custom. We left nothing to spare, and we're very proud of how it turned out. So I want to take a short moment here and share my story with you all on why we created the SipToSuit deck. Michelle and I each have been working in the design industry for 20 years now, and I take my design principles of form and function very seriously. And it's this passion, or obsession if you like, that fuels me to look at things around me differently. I think it's been about 15 years now since I fell in love with coffee. I was always drawn into the artistry and the science of the brewing process. So, many years ago, I started documenting and taking notes of my coffee journey so I can keep track of all the brewing methods I learned, the parameters I made, and all the things I needed to reference from. And whenever I needed those quick reminders, my journal became my go-to reference manual. It worked great. But I do have one problem with it. It just wasn't very quick or convenient when I needed it. Oh yeah, and I spilled coffee on it a couple of times. As designers, we saw an opportunity to do better. We tapped into our experiences in data visualization and graphic illustration. Michelle and I meticulously researched, distilled the most important information on coffee brewing. We then laid out all that information on each and every playing card and made sure all the critical parameters are quick to access and easy to read. We think it's brilliant. I already started using my prototype deck, and now we want to share it with you all. The deck is ready to go. We have a playing card manufacturer right here in the US waiting for us. We just need your backing so we can get it into your hands. So please share our campaign with your friends and family, and please support us and back this project. Thank you.